Welcome to your spelling test for Unit 3.10. This is your last spelling test for the Unit 3 spelling unit. So if you're finished this unit and you've passed most of your tests and you feel comfortable jumping on to Unit 4, then that's what you can do next. If, however, you haven't passed most of your tests and you really feel like you haven't mastered the Unit 3 content, then let's have a talk about it and decide what's best for you to keep going in Unit 3, which would be unscheduled. It's not something that gets marked down. It's just work for you to do independently, or maybe having a little bit more structure and scaffolding in the Unit 4 unit. So think about that while you're taking this test. If you're ready to go on to Unit 4, if you need some more time with the Unit 3 content. These are going to be your words for the Unit 3 unit. Before I begin, make sure that you've told me you're taking the test so I can mark it down in the book. Also, make sure that you have your LA Duotang. Have it with you. Don't get it after because you'll forget to put your paper in it. Get your LA Duotang. Make sure that you have loose leaf paper inside your grammar section because that's where you're going to be putting this test. And you're also going to want to make sure before you start that you have a pencil that has an eraser. All right, here are your words. Number 1, children. There are usually about 18 children in our classroom. Children. Number 12, search. Sometimes our spelling unit comes with a word search. Search. Number 13, teacher. I and Mrs. Hines are the teachers in this classroom. Teacher. Number 14, reached. I reached really high for the cup on the top shelf. Reached. Number 5, think. Really think about your spelling words and if they look right to you before you write them down. Number 6, together. In class, we like to do a lot of our work together in groups. Number 7, with. It's nice when you get to work with somebody that you're friends with. With. Number 8, where. Where is the classroom pet? Where. Number 9, everywhere. Everywhere in the classroom are displays of children's learning and in the school. Number 10, short. This spelling test is pretty short. Number 11, push. You have to push a door to open it. Number 12, finish. I hope when you finish this test, you're confident enough to go on to Unit 4. Number 13, sure. You want to be sure that you're ready to go on to Unit 4 before you decide to do so. Number 14, who. Who's knocking on the door? Number 15, whole. A whole number is a number that doesn't include a percent, decimal, ratio, or fraction. Those are the last words for your Unit 3 spelling, and now I think we should get together to talk about what your next move is.